Pena here at Lakeland Toyota. I'm General Sales Manager. I was in the need of hiring some salespeople, so I reached out to AutoStaff, Matt. I know Matt for many years. I was actually one of his hired. Went to his hiring class, and that's how I got into the business. So we stay in contact, and I reached out to him, and he came in and he did a great job on helping me recruiting some great salespeople. We had a total of 80 interviews, and he narrowed down to 40. But we ended up hiring 20 salespeople, including BDC and some advisors as well. So I really recommend AutoStaff. So if you guys want any help hiring new people, he will come into your store and knock it out of the park just like he did here. So thank you, Matt.